In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix QuickBooks Error 3371. This error usually pops up when QuickBooks can't load important license or system components, and it can block you from opening your company file. Don't worry, we'll fix it by using the official QuickBooks Tool Hub. I've placed the link to the page I'm using, plus the download for the Tool Hub, in the description so you can follow along easily. First, make sure QuickBooks is completely closed. If it's running, exit out so the repair can work correctly. Now, download the most recent QuickBooks Tool Hub, version 1.6.8, from the link in the description. Save the file somewhere easy to find, like your Downloads folder or your Windows desktop. If you've installed the Tool Hub before, you can check which version you have by opening it, selecting the Home tab, and looking at the version number at the bottom. If it's not 1.6.0.8, go ahead and download the latest one. Open the file you downloaded, named QuickBooks-Tool-Hub.exe. Follow the on-screen steps to install, and agree to the terms and conditions when prompted. Installation only takes a moment. When it finishes, double-click the QuickBooks Tool Hub icon on your Windows desktop to open it. For the best experience, the Tool Hub is recommended on Windows 11, 64-bit, but it will run on other supported versions of Windows as well. With the Tool Hub open, go to the section labeled Installation Issues. Here, click on 3371 Error Fix, then choose OK to start the repair. The tool will scan and repair the components that commonly trigger this error. Let it finish. Don't close the window while it's working. This process is automated and typically completes quickly. When the tool is done, open QuickBooks Desktop again and sign into your company data file as you normally would. If your file is stored on a network location or external drive, make sure it's connected and accessible before you open it. In most cases, the 3371 error should be resolved at this point, and you can get back to work. If the error persists after running the fix, your next option is to reinstall QuickBooks Desktop. A clean reinstall refreshes program files without touching your actual company data, but always make sure you know where your data file is saved before you begin any reinstall. Follow the official QuickBooks installer prompts for your version. That's it. Use the links in the description for the exact resources shown here, and take your time with each step. Thanks for watching, and I hope this helped you clear QuickBooks Error 3371 quickly and confidently.